Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys kind of like my everyday makeup. I'm pretty much going to do the look I wore in my beauty favorites of 2018 video because that's the look that I've been doing every day. So this is my current everyday makeup routine. So first I'm going to be using my Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. I talked about this in my favorites video if you missed that, my beauty favorites of 2018. Now I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Youth Infusing Eye Cream, and then lastly for like skincare I'm gonna take the Pearlescence 24K Gold Illuminating Facial Serum. The skincare portion is done. Now I'm gonna move into primer. You guys know, and I'm gonna use my Catrice Prime and Fine Refiner. I've been having a mic for my camera for like a year and a half, almost 2 years, and I could never figure out how to get it to work for me. Like, I've watched plenty of videos, tried to get it to work, and it just never worked out for me. So I just eventually stopped trying, and I pretty much used it to film voiceovers. And then recently I started like researching different things. Long story short, I finally figured out how to get this mic to work. So this is my first video using my mic, so hopefully the sound is a little bit better, more clearer. I feel so stupid that I've had this mic for like a year and a half, and I'm just now learning how to get it to work for my camera. All right, so for foundation I'm going to be using 2 different foundations today. Usually in my everyday life, Usually in my everyday life, I don't wear foundation on the regular, but since we're on camera and for the sake of being, you know, in the video on camera, so I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Sticks Foundation in the shade Dark 167 Warm. And I'm also going to use a little bit of the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. I have the shade N78 Neutral Classic Tan Cappuccino. I'm going to use these two because the ColourPop Sticks Foundation is a little bit too dark. So I'm going to like try and even it out with the L'Oreal product. Okay, so I'm liking how this little concoction is looking together. Coffee break. I usually drink my coffee out of like glass cups. Pretty much all of our glasses and what is it, like glassware, eatware, kitchen supply stuff is like packed up. So I only kept out like these plastic cups. So we're being a little bit, you know, bad and bougie. And this is why I don't do too many get ready with me's, because I talk too damn much. Okay, so I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45. Stopped using this for like a long while, and then I started using it again, and I was like, why did I ever stop using this? I'm gonna blend this out with the e.l.f. concealer brush. This is my go-to for concealer. You guys probably have seen me use this in every single video tutorial, you know. So excited for our new place because I'm gonna have like my own filming space, makeup space finally. And that's really exciting to me because right now me and my husband, if you don't know, I am married, but me and my husband, we live in a 1-bedroom apartment. And literally in 2 days, we're gonna be moving into a 2-bedroom home or house. And I'm really excited to convert the other room into like my little filming makeup studio, somewhere I can go to be creative and film my videos and edit in there and do my makeup in there. Like, I'm really excited about it. All right, so now I'm gonna contour using the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade Truffle. And for my highlighting concealer, using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey. And we're gonna do a tad bit of this and take that e.l.f. concealer brush again and start blending out under my eyes. If you don't know, I do have another channel, my main channel, where I do like natural hair and lifestyle over there. I made a video on how to be more productive on that channel in 2019, and one of the things I talked about was taking a social media break. I've been on a social media break since January 2nd. Basically, I'm gonna do it for 30 days. I said that to say though, in the meantime, I've been addicted to like finding games on my phone, and this is not sponsored, obviously, none of that kind of stuff. One of the games I found is called like Wordscape, something like that, and it is so freaking fun and addicting. It's basically like you try and think of how many words you can create out of the letters they give you. So I've been really enjoying that. I learned this little nose contour trick from Makeup Shayla watching one of her videos, and I've been doing it ever since. Not that I really like need to contour my nose, because I have no issue with the size or anything of my nose. I don't do this every single time I do makeup either, because I don't be having time all the time, but you know, if I can, I will. Really want to know like what they're lawn mowing outside. They've been having that noise on for like an hour now, and I'm just like, How much grass is it? So now I am actually going to use my NYX HD finishing powder in the shade Banana, and I'm gonna take a foundation brush and I'm gonna set pretty much all the areas where we highlighted it. So then what we're going to do, now I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark, which is the same color of my skin tone. I'm literally just gonna go over my whole entire face with this. Taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna dip into this dark shade right here. I'm gonna set the places that we contoured with. So now we come to the part where I'm going to do my brows. As you can see, my brows are very sparse, and I used to have really thick luscious brows, but I made the mistake of getting them waxed way too much, and this is what I'm left with now. I do still have kind of like a shape, but I have to fill them in quite a bit to get them how I like them. I'll be using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunette. So I'm gonna go do my brows off camera, and then I'll be right on back. And we back. Hey, and we back. All right, so my eyebrows is done. I'm not like the eyebrow queen, y'all. Like, my eyebrows come out different every day. Sometimes I'm like, oh girl, you did that, and then other days I'm like, okay, you bringing the Sharpie brow back. So now I am going to do like eye makeup, which is not really eye makeup, but we'll categorize it like that. And any brown color will work, really. This is just like the closest brown color I have next to me. I'm going to mix these two shades, a darker shade and then this one in the middle. Put it right in my crease, kind of go right here by my nose as well, to kind of give that nose a little bit more chisel and blizzle for shizzle. So it doesn't really add too much color, it really just kind of defines our eye a little bit more. I'm gonna take these two shades and put it right on the brow bone. And then for a little bit extra oomph, I add like some golden stuff. So if you looked at my beauty favorites of 2018 video, I had kind of like some golden shadows on my eyes. I'm gonna show y'all how I finessed that just a little bit. In the beauty favorites of 2018 video, I reached into my Chasing Rainbows palette and I took the shade called So Meta, which is like this golden shade right here. But today we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. And first I'm gonna put it right in the middle of our eye, kind of blend it out just a little bit. We're gonna put it also a little bit in the outer corner. We're gonna hit the inner corner with it, and also right in the middle of the brow bone we're gonna hit it. So it looks so pretty, especially like when you're out in the sunlight and the sun hits it. Oh, so gorgeous. So now we're gonna do blush, and I'm gonna be taking the ColourPop Press Blush in the shade Main Chick, and we're gonna put her on. Some days I like to like really go ham with blush. Hence, if you watch my Hella Blush editorial look video, still one of my favorite videos thus far. That blush look was so freaking cute. So I'm gonna add some mascara, of course, using my Essence False Lash Effect mascara. Like, you guys already know the dealio with this. So we're just gonna add some highlight once again, going into my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Gotta be really careful with this highlighter and just like literally do little at a time, because it's a very glittery formula, and if you go too ham, girl, I gotta pray for you. And then lastly, we just gonna do our lips. Y'all already know we're gonna end up going with lip gloss, but first gonna line them with the NYX Espresso lip liner. Same old, same old. Should I use Fenty Glow or Fussy? Fenty Glow or Fussy? Let's hit it with Fussy, since Fussy is still a little new to us. Pretty. One step I forgot to do, excuse me. I'm gonna use the NYX Wonder Pencil in my waterline. Is it too late because I put mascara on? Okay, it's kind of too late because I put mascara on my lower lash line and I don't want a chance getting mascara on my face. But usually I do use this in my waterline. Had it next to me, just forgot to put it on. This is pretty much the finished look. We're just going to hit it with some ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray Mist, whatever it's called. And here we go. This is our finished everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, make sure you are subscribed if you're not already. If this video made you laugh, if you like the look, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hopefully, come back, okay? Bye, y'all.